We looked at a lot of different solutions and we ended up with HealthcareSource after doing a lot of due diligence and really investigating the options. And we went with them because of the level of knowledge they have about healthcare. It's really what they serve, it's what they do. They understand us, and they really had some best practices that we could learn from as well. So we were excited about what they could offer our organization. At Deaconess, we knew that we had to have something that was going to make our lives easier and our managers' lives easier and be as simple as possible for our candidates to apply. So anyone who looked at our system had to be able to figure it out, understand it from start to finish, and complete the application process. Our hiring managers hated our previous system and they were very vocal about it. We got phone calls constantly. We had constant phone calls from candidates as well that couldn't figure out how to apply. And since we implemented, it's been a completely different experience. The number of calls have dropped off dramatically, and we rarely get phone calls from managers except if they're following up on an application or a person rather than a process. The process makes sense, it works for us. When we were looking for applicant tracking systems, it was extremely important for us to have mobile capability because we want to attract millennials and we want them to have a seamless process, a very easy process for them to apply. A lot of them don't have a laptop or a PC, so they live off of their iPhones or their iPads or those mobile tablets. So it was a must-have for us, and HealthcareSource provided a good solution, and it's been very simple for people to apply. They can also use the onboarding app mobily and fill out their paperwork easily on their own time when it's convenient for them. The reporting features are extremely important to me as a manager because I need to understand exactly what my recruiters are achieving, where they're struggling, where we're doing really well, especially in comparison to benchmarks, and HealthcareSource provides that very well. I think that position manager is going to change our retention and improve it because we are getting better quality of hires. It also affects our bottom line when you look at HCAHPS scores. Our relationship with HealthcareSource is very much a partnership. They listen to us and they really try to find the best fit for what our needs are, regardless of what the industry standard may be. Our organization is growing very quickly, and because of HealthcareSource's solutions, we feel like we are well positioned for the future. We look at all the products out there on the market, but we would like to align with HealthcareSource because they already know who we are, they know what our needs are, and they have the tools that really are the best option for healthcare. And I can see us being a client of them for a very long time.